Hi guys, just doing a quick tutorial on customizing colors for Excel, specifically to use on something like this that we have here, a pie chart or any graph where instead of having it default to whatever colors are set within Excel, you actually want these colors to match, say, your brand or client's colors. So if you're working with Google, instead we'd ideally want this to be in the Google colors, which I believe are red, green, blue, and yellow. So let's get started. The first thing that you would do to go about this is just go to page layout right here, go to colors, and then go all the way down to customize colors because you want a custom template, and adjust the accents here. So when you go into accent 1, it's pretty unlikely that you're going to immediately have the color that matches your brand selectable here. So go to more colors again, and then you have the spectrum. And what you could do is try to eyeball what your brand colors exactly are. So I could say that, oh, I think this is the Google Blue, Google Red, etc. But what you really want are the numbers in the bottom here. You really want to know what the red number should be, the green number should be, and the blue number should be. And these are also called RGB, just an acronym. So let's figure out a way to actually get the numbers to input here so that we have the exact color. Canceling out, I'm just going to go over to the web browser, and as you can see here, I've already pulled up to a page. If you go to Google and search just Chrome extension eyedropper, you're going to be shown this link here, which is the eyedropper, and it's a great extension. So as you can see, I've already added it to Chrome, but you would just click over here, and you should then see an icon of an eyedropper in the top right-hand corner. And this is how it works. So going to the next tab over, all I did was just an image search of a Google logo, a pretty big one, just because I want to have a good amount of space to work with, and you'll see why in just a second. If you go to the eyedropper, click it, and then click Pick Color from Web Page, you're going to get this pixel box, and wherever you hover now on this web page, you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner the RGB numbers of whatever color you're on. So if I'm on red, you see these numbers, and the first number corresponds to red, the second to green, and the third to blue. Pretty intuitive. Go over to green, you're going to get your green number, your blue number, and your yellow number. So there you go. If you go back here, go back to page layout, customize colors. For each accent now, when you go to more colors, you've got that number. So just jot it down, input it here, hit OK. I'm not going to do that here. But what you can then do is name this. Name it like after your brand or client name, something intuitive, and then hit save. So not doing it because I've actually already made a Google template, in case you didn't catch that, but when I go to page layout colors, you'll see that any custom template I've made is in this top custom section, and you can see that I've just saved something which I've labeled as Google example. So even when I hover over it, and I'm going to click it to enable it, voila. Now my pie chart has the exact Google colors. That's the exact red, green, blue, and yellow. And any other chart that I generate now here, given that I've selected the page from page layout, the color scheme of my Google example, are all going to have this color scheme. So you can easily copy and paste or transfer it onto a deck. It's going to be branded with the colors that you want, and you don't have to worry about it. When you return to Excel again, any custom layout that you've saved is still going to be there, so you can select it at any time. And that's it. Pretty simple. Hope this was helpful, and thanks so much for watching.